Dynamics 65 shares at 1960 yesterday and wants to know the short-term target for this as well. Kush, I'll come to you on this one. What are the charts indicating?
Some consolidation, negative bias was there for the last 4 weeks, but this week, the stock seems to be consolidating with a positive bias now. Some accumulation also coming in. So I would suggest a stop loss near the 1850 mark. Continue to hold, and as you rightly said, the stock is very close to the buying price. So yes, not too much of a worry, and it's coming off, a negative consolidation phase. So on the upside, you have targets of 2020. Once that is taken out, a 2080 also comes into picture. Uh, some momentum could be missing because of how the stocks have run in the past. But after this brief phase of consolidation, I think this is a good entry point. So continue to hold BDL.
Continue to hold BDL is the view where charts are concerned. Okay. The next caller, Ajay, is calling in from Mumbai. Ajay, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Yeah, hi, good morning. I have 100 shares of OneSource Specialty Pharma.
Okay.
I'm looking out for long term.
Okay.
So I want to know how the prospect of this company. It's a CDMO player.
Okay, got your question, Ajay. I'll take this up in Nirav. Nirav, not sure if you have a view on this one. What's the view like? And he's holding 100 odd shares. What should he do?
Well, I think it's better to shift to some quality players like say a Divi's Lab, which could be a better play in the CDMO space.
Okay, all right. So Divi's Lab is a better play. Let's go to the next question, and we've got Chanchal Nandwana. Apologies, it took me a little bit to get that name right. He's looking at Ambuja Cement for a period of 3 to 4 months. He hasn't bought yet, but he's wondering whether he should. Kush, on the charts, what's the view?
Not a bad idea at all to consider Ambuja Cement. In fact, the entire cement space has now started to turn a corner after, brief bit of consolidation. Ultratech also is a good pick, in this space. But yes, Ambuja Cements also has done fairly well, has closed above, some of the key resistance levels, the last one being 580. I think this momentum could continue from a 3 to 4 month perspective. I think, a reasonable target on this one is 620. Once that is taken out, you're looking at the 655 as well. So continue to hold, keep a stop loss near the 560 mark.
Got it. All right. Standard disclaimer here, Ambuja Cements is part of the Adani Group, and so is NDTV Group, of which NDTV Profit, as you know, is a part. We've got Chandu calling us from Hyderabad. Hi, Chandu. Very good morning. How can we help you today?
Wants to know about... Hello?
Yes. Go ahead, Chandu.
Yeah. So I bought a ABB India at average price of 5,960. Okay, 10 shares I bought it actually.
Okay.
I want to know the short-term and long-term view on this.
Okay. You want to know the short-term and long-term, but did you buy it based on the fundamentals or did you buy it based on the price action?
Yeah, both I see. Both. Yeah.
Okay. All right. The question is for you then, Nirav, since he's not really specified what his time frame is. On the fundamentals, would you hold at these levels? I think that order book has never been an issue. It's execution and valuations. Would you agree?
Well, it's always going to be expensive in terms of valuation because of the technology leadership. And I think this is a portfolio stock, and the advice is to hold and keep adding at all declines.
Okay, so that's with regards to where ABB stands. Add at all declines is the view that Nirav has given. All right, our next